The key fob not detected error in 2022 to 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneers is primarily due to a rapidly draining key fob battery, especially in cold weather or with frequent use. This issue stems from a design flaw in the fob, causing signal loss. Software glitches and electromagnetic interference can also contribute. If your key fob isn't detected, insert it into the overhead console slot located near the dome light. Press the brake pedal and shift to park. This bypasses the wireless detection, allowing the vehicle to start by directly authenticating with the system. The key fob in your Jeep Grand Wagoneer uses a non-standard CR2032-like lithium-ion battery. This battery type is similar to a standard CR2032, but has specific voltage requirements that make it incompatible with regular button cell batteries. To replace the battery yourself, you'll need to carefully pry open the key fob. Use a plastic prying tool to separate the two halves without damaging the internal components. Avoid using metal tools like screwdrivers, as they can scratch the circuit board or cause short circuits. Once opened, remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032-like battery with the positive side facing up. Carefully reassemble the fob by snapping the halves back together. However, be aware that performing this replacement yourself may void your vehicle's warranty if it's not done by an authorized Jeep dealer. After replacing the battery, the key fob may need reprogramming to sync with your vehicle's system. This can typically be done through the infotainment screen in your Grand Wagoneer, or you may need to visit a dealer for professional reprogramming using their diagnostic tools. Jeep has released over-the-air software updates via Uconnect 5 to improve key fob battery life and detection. These updates reduce failure rates, especially for newer models, but don't completely eliminate the problem for all 2022-2023 Grand Wagoneers. Newer 2025 Jeep Grand Wagoneer models offer a virtual key feature through the Stellantis app. This innovative solution lets you start your vehicle using just your smartphone, completely bypassing the physical key fob. The Stellantis app connects your phone directly to the vehicle's systems, providing a modern alternative to traditional key fobs. Within the app, you'll find an intuitive interface that handles key functions, including remote starting and locking. Simply hold your smartphone near the vehicle to authenticate and start the engine, just like using a digital key. This virtual key eliminates common issues like dead fob batteries, offers convenient access, and serves as a reliable long-term solution. To get started, check if your 2025 model is compatible by looking in the app settings or contacting your dealer. To prevent key fob issues, check your fob battery health annually, particularly before winter when cold temperatures can significantly reduce battery efficiency and lead to failures. Consider having your dealer perform a fob checkup as part of your regular vehicle maintenance schedule to ensure everything is working properly. Jeep has issued recalls to address this issue. Contact your local Jeep dealership to check if your vehicle is affected and to schedule a free fob replacement or reprogramming. This is the most reliable long-term solution. The automotive industry is evolving toward digital key solutions, where smartphones replace traditional fobs for vehicle access and starting. This technology, already in 2025 Jeep models via the Stellantis app, offers greater convenience and eliminates battery-related failures. Key fobs are also improving with longer life batteries. Future models will feature rechargeable lithium polymer cells that last significantly longer than current lithium-ion batteries, reducing failures especially in cold weather. Additionally, increased cybersecurity measures will protect against potential exploits, ensuring the system remains secure as vehicles become more connected. These trends promise improved reliability and user experience for keyless entry systems in upcoming vehicle models.